It's not your typical dental office where it's drill and fill and pay your bill. People usually come to us complaining about migraines, complaining about pain in the jaw, complaining about toothache that is not really tooth-related or has an unknown origin. People complain about head and neck problems, sleeplessness, lots of symptoms that people don't even realize are coming from TMJ. Even at the very first appointment, a person already know, by the end of that appointment, they already know what needs to be done, how can we address their needs, how much it will cost, if they have dental insurance, how we can help them utilize their insurance, how long the treatment will take, and the most important thing, what the end result will be.
Today's dentistry, especially in our Dream Smile dental office, is about functional rehabilitation of the patient. It's aesthetic and functional rehabilitation. It's about improving the patient's life and lifestyle. Believe it or not, we can help these people. We can do very simple device and help these people. That now we are not just a dentist, we are like a physician of the mouth. And we take in consideration all kind of symptoms like headaches. To put a nice veneers or crowns on a patient's teeth, it's not a very difficult task, but the most difficult thing that these veneers or crowns will stay in a patient's mouth for the life. It's all about the functional and aesthetic rehabilitation. A relatively new concept of neuromuscular dentistry, and this neuromuscular dentistry gives us technology to find out the right position of the lower jaw and restore the teeth in this position. This position makes muscles relax and function in their optimum position, and it makes all restoration and the even teeth, like natural teeth, last longer and prevent from the damage. See the people with the chipped teeth, with the fractured cusps, with the fractured crowns, and some sensitivity, some pain, and it's not related to any cavity, it's related to the bite, to the way how the people put teeth together.
Our continuing education is from LVI, which is well-known practice. It's not about teeth. Well, it is, but it's not only about teeth. It is about the way of life. It is about giving somebody back their confidence, giving somebody back their life, where people did not smile for years, or when they smiled, they closed their mouths with their hand, or they were uncomfortable in public, or sometimes people even stay home. They don't go in public. What we do is we give them their self-confidence back and their lives back. And it's not about the smile or teeth. It's about the way of living.
My symptoms were that I clenched my teeth at night. So in the morning, I had a very fatigued jaw and a lot of pain. I can't say a lot of pain, but I had a lot of discomfort. It helped tremendously as far as my jaw went, as far as, you know, the muscle tone, and that it relaxed it, and I could definitely feel, you know, it being better right from the get-go. I would recommend this to anybody and everyone, and I have recommended to a lot of friends and family, and I think they do a wonderful job. I feel great. My teeth feel great, my jaw feels great, and no more pain whatsoever. The word to describe Dream Smile would be outstanding. Dream Smile Dental helped me because they relieved the tension in my jaw and that constant clenching that I would do, and I felt so much better in the morning. I felt rested, and I felt so much better. I had been to other dentists during the, over the past years, and I just never had the reception that I did at Dream Smile, and felt confident that they would do what I was looking for them to do. And say that I smile more, and I am more apt to smile at strangers where I never did before.
Honestly, when I first sat with Dr. Ronkin, my one and only fear was it all going to be worth it? I would definitely recommend Dream Smile to others. I've told many of my friends and continue to tell people about the amazing job you guys do. I'm so happy. It's hard to believe the difference that a confident smile can make in the way one interacts with others. Just yesterday, I stopped for a second to talk with a friend. When I smiled, my first instinct was to cover my teeth with my hands like I did before. I instantly remembered that I don't have the same smile as I used to. Dr. Ronkin and his staff have changed my smile and turned me into a more confident individual. When I smile now, people look at my teeth and give me compliments. It's amazing how much a little bit of my savings and a great dentist like Dr. Ronkin and his staff can do to change your life. Thank you for everything. You guys are the best. Chronic jaw pain led me to Dream Smile Dental and Dr. Ronkin. The pain was so intense that it had become the focus of my daily life. Dr. Ronkin performed computerized diagnostic tests that helped him determine the source of my pain, which was an unbalanced bite. Neuromuscular treatment with a tensing unit relaxed the muscles in my jaw and gave my jaw the ability to reposition to a bite that was balanced. I wore an orthotic device inside my mouth to maintain the balanced position of my bite and stabilize the jaw muscles. This also relieved the daily pain I'd been experiencing. Within less than a month, Dr. Ronkin was able to correct my bite by restoring my upper teeth and allowing them to meet my lower teeth. My front teeth were restored with porcelain veneers. The change in their appearance was dramatic. My lower teeth were then straightened with Invisalign braces, giving me a beautiful and pain-free smile. Now my search to becoming pain and headache-free has led me to a beautiful white smile with straight teeth. Tatiana Larina, a 26-year-old flute player, was concerned with her smile, especially when performing on stage in front of a full audience. She longed for the smile that the Hollywood actors show off on the red carpet. I knew I wanted to go through with the Invisalign treatment, but was concerned with it getting in the way of my flute playing. Dr. Ronkin assured me that it would not interfere, and showed me the thin plastic aligner I would be wearing. I was eager to proceed with treatment once I saw that on my teeth, it's really invisible.
Basically, I was experiencing a lot of headaches, a lot of pain in my jaws, pressure. Like with headaches and all, not to discount the fact that it could be something dental. I woke up in the morning and I felt much better. I felt more alert, and I felt like I was able to, start my day. I had a hard time smiling before, but now I feel more confident, and I like the way I look. I don't have the headaches anymore, and because my bite has been adjusted, there's hardly any pressure that I feel in my jaw and into my ears. So yeah, it's helped a lot. I mean, I woke up and I felt refreshed. I felt like I had a good night's sleep. Headaches were they were gone. I feel like when I come here, I feel like I'm in a spa. Thanks, Dream Smile.
After years of visiting different dentists and leaving with my questions unanswered, Dream Smile Dental provided the solution that I had been looking for. From the very first time I met with Dr. Ronkin, he was encouraging and positive that the final outcome would be a success. His first concern was my oral health, even though I was more interested in what he could do cosmetically. During the procedures, the staff at Dream Smile Dental always created a comfortable atmosphere for me and provided attention to every detail. My smile is now protected and beautiful. That is a great feeling. Thank you for keeping me smiling. Dream Smile Dental has changed my life. Prior to being treated for TMJ, I suffered from chronic headaches, upper back and neck stiffness, ringing in my ears, tingling in my fingers, fatigue, and inability to sleep. Doctor after doctor, treatment after treatment, nothing worked. Within just 1 year of undergoing treatment with Dr. Ronkin, pain is no longer a normal part of my daily life, and my smile is more beautiful and bigger than ever. He's truly a master of his craft. The staff at Dream Smile Dental was professional, thorough, accommodating, making every visit enjoyable. Here's to starting every day with a smile. As a teenager, I was always self-conscious about my teeth and would barely smile. I grew up with a fear of the dentist and would only go if absolutely necessary, so braces were out of the question. In school, I was taunted about my teeth because I had an extreme overbite and a space between my teeth. I always said if I could fix one thing about myself, it would be my teeth in a heartbeat. When I learned about Invisalign in my mid-20s, I knew this would be the perfect solution. I could never picture myself with metal brackets on my teeth or the discomfort associated with it. The day I got Invisalign, I was extremely excited. I was shocked at how easy and manageable the treatment was. Once I was finished, I couldn't believe I had the smile I always envied and dreamed about. Now people always tell me how beautiful my smile is, and I have to think about it before I say thank you because I'm not used to hearing it. Since finishing the treatment, I have become much more outgoing and social, and I can smile without being self-conscious.
Well, I had, again, sensitivity. I had teeth that were crooked. I had some teeth missing. I had gold caps that needed to be removed. Dream Smile, you know, they brought me in very comfortably. I kept away from dentists. My wife comes here now. I've got 2 other friends that are here. Customer service is terrific. The staff, the hygienists, the doctors. I feel comfortable going out. You know, just I feel like I look better, totally. You know, thank you for my smile.
The reason why I chose Invisalign is because before having cosmetic dentistry done, I had extremely low self-confidence about my teeth. For as long as I could remember, I was embarrassed and ashamed to smile for photos and in front of acquaintances. Unlike my personality, I love to laugh, smile, and have a good time, and having the smile I always wanted makes it easier to express myself. After completing Invisalign, I carry my head high without worrying about my smile. I constantly smile without any self-doubt.
I was hesitant to go through with such a permanent change, but Dream Smile Dental made me feel comfortable and right at home. I'm so happy I got veneers and I love them. Now I laugh and smile without feeling self-conscious. I'm loving my newfound self-confidence. For as far back as I can remember, I was always unhappy with my smile. I'm a happy person who loves to smile, so it was hard for me to remember to keep my mouth closed so that my teeth wouldn't show. Being so self-conscious about my smile made it uncomfortable for me to meet new people or to feel at ease speaking in front of people. When I made the decision to do something about this, I did not do it lightly. And now that I've done it, my only regret is that I didn't do it earlier. Dr. Schwartzman at Dream Smile Dental has given me a new smile and it's beautiful. Since having the work done, I'm much more self-confident and outgoing with new people I meet at work or in social situations. I feel that I'm now able to be more myself, and it's very freeing not to be so self-conscious, at least not about my teeth.
I had TMJ, which is, I had headaches every single day, every day. My symptoms was every day by, I'd say 10:30, I'd have a headache, and I got used to them. Some days it'd be real bad, and I'd have to lights out and take some pills and, you know, see if they would go, see if it would go away, to the point where it was bearable. And Dream Smile Dental, when they realigned my jaw, that was the end of that. It's gone. It's a miracle. It really is. It really is. Realigned my bite, which cured the TMJ, and the headaches miraculously stopped. It's unbelievable. It's a miracle. Dream Smile Dental is, they care, they take care of you. No more headaches. Dream Smile Dental took care of the headaches. They're gone. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's like going home. They take care of you. Dream Smile Dental, when they realigned my jaw, that was the end of that. It's gone. It's a miracle. It really is. This is the place to go. Go to Dream Smile Dental. They're the best.
I can't begin to express how much I appreciate the kindness and care I've received from Dr. Schwartzman and her staff, as she very well knows what a nervous patient I was coming in here. Both Dr. Schwartzman and the staff made me feel at ease. Thank you for your strive for perfection. I'm totally satisfied and very happy.